Can you get that?
So if there are any 2 or 3 questions, we're happy to take. Is there a particular question you want?
Thank you.
Let's resume our training.
Thank you.
And kila mtu tubebe
minority whip.
We are having conflicting numbers. We are being told that those who have reported about 75%, the number was moving in a day. It was moving from 70 to 75, and many others. But what we see in the media is different. The schools, some of them have not registered even 10 young people to join. The program is being implemented in a terrible way, an haphazard way. And my fear is that we are going to lose quite a number of young people in this process. I saw in the papers the other day that they are saying, look, this is like a pilot program. You'll get a few who will do very well. But what about the majority? What about the majority? Losing one is bad enough. So it is the question of implementation, and the government is totally ill prepared. The teachers, we all know, and the teachers have said it. They are not prepared to, for this CBC or CPE program, and that's why it is so haphazard about the Nyota funds. Have you been told where it is coming from? Do you have any budget line? So where it's coming? It is in billions. It is in billions, and what we know is that these are public funds, whether from a loan or from that has been taken from public funds. And as I said, the main thing is that it is not sustainable. It is not sustainable. First of all, it is not going to go around to everyone. You just give a few and you say you have assisted. What about those who will not get?
Wan gima wawacho kaka jo UGM wakwayo ni sani endi kaka President Mara osewacho wadhi wuok oko kae. Nikech wasefwenyo ni youth emang'eny e Kenya ka, to jo youth gi endi onge kura kendo ok gidwa kura. Koro wawuok kaka UGM. Wadwa kawo ting' mar puonjo ji gima kizungu luongo ni civic education. Mondo wang'igi, wanyisgi, wapuonjre kanyakla kaka jo Kenya ni kura wani nyalo konyo wanade ngima wa makiny.